Where? Oh, there's two. Wow. We're sorry, platypus.
Previously on twouptravels Suzuki Adventures, I tried to knock Michael out. We had a GoPro battle, went chasing waterfalls, went through Armadale, past our favourite pub in Uralla, onto the Thunderbolts Way, for brekkie at Walcha.
Wow, it's a happening place, Walcha today.
Didn't get far, did we? Away! Thunderbolts Way getting rebuilt. Cool.
Of my heart to reassure that I couldn't break to pieces and be left alone once more. If you hadn't been so patient, you'd be easy to ignore. You put up with all my till you didn't anymore. And now I stand here calling at your door. Oh, now I stand here calling at your door. Yeah, I'm yours anywhere you want. Yeah, I'm yours, and now we're singing. I have made a lot of mistakes, I have been too self-involved, been protective of my feelings, but somehow you made me fall. You got underneath the surface and you shattered every wall, and I know I got that feeling, there's no question anymore. And now I stand here calling at your door. Oh, now I stand here calling at your door. Yeah, I'm yours anywhere you go.
All the adventure boys. Nowendoc River. It's not a Susie bike ride though. Nowendoc River.
Oh, there's a platypus!
That was not.
I saw a platypus!
Was it?
Oh my god, I saw it and I got it on camera.
Was it really?
Yes.
I thought it was. I thought it was.
He's probably gone underneath now.
I thought it was.
It's definitely a platypus.
Was it? I did see it too.
Did you?
Yeah. I had my camera on.
Oh look, you can see the ripples there. Oh, there he is, look!
Where?
Look at him!
Oh, there's two. Wow. We're sorry, platypus.
Shit, I hope this is going. Yeah, it is. Far out.
You're sunbaking. Get off. Ride's over. Oh.
We saw a platypus. We saw a platypus. Do the platypus dance.
Go on, do it. That's the bloody kangaroo dance. Is he still there? No. Yeah, cool. Alright, back onto the Thunderbolts Way. Gloucester! Gloucester!